Hello guys, welcome back to She Code. So in our top 100 code series, our problem 46 is to find the length of the string without using length method. If you are following the series from problem number 1, then I don't think you will be having any problem doing this question. This is the very easy question and also asked many times in various interviews, so you have to be prepared, but it is very easy. How we will solve it? What we will do is we will take input from the user string. Okay, we will take string as input from the user. Now after taking the string, we will convert all the characters of the string into an array. After converting that string's characters into an array, we will count the characters, and the total count of those characters will be the length of the string. How? Let's see. Here I have taken the scanner class. Now I'll enter string str equals to sc dot next. You all know that we use this next method to take string as an input, right? In Java we use this next method to take string as an input from the user. Fine. Now after this, I'll take another variable length. Initial value of this length will be 0. Now after this, I will be using a for each loop. This is the only thing you have to do in this program. Use for each loop. The for each loop will iterate over every character of the array. So let's name that character C1. C1 is each character of the array over every iteration. Now here we will convert the string into array of characters str dot to this method char array. Okay, this will convert our string to array of characters. Every time this for each loop is iterating over each character, we will increase the length. That's it. You just have to write this for each loop and you are done with the program. Now we will print our length. Now let's run it and check if it is correct or not. Let's enter string she codes. So we got our output. The length of the string is 8. Let's enter something else. Let's run it again. Let's enter string. The length is 6. So we are done with our program. This is how the program works. It's very easy. You don't even need any code snippet to practice. Practice it and let me know in comment section if it was helping you. Share it with your friends. Subscribe She Codes if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like this tutorial, and I'll be back with more such questions. Till then, bye bye. Happy coding.